Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Tesla Cybertruck in Brookhaven. First, you'll need to locate the main vehicle dealership within the game. Once inside, navigate through the available vehicles until you find the Cybertruck. Make sure you have enough in-game cash, then simply select it to add this futuristic ride to your collection. It's a straightforward process to get you cruising in style. Finding the dealership is quite simple. It's usually situated in a prominent spot, often near the town's central area. Look for a large, modern building with several cars displayed outside its entrance. Once you spot it, just walk right in. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll find the full range of vehicles ready for you to explore and acquire. After entering the dealership, you'll see a menu or a display of all the cars. Scroll through this selection until you spot the distinctive Tesla Cybertruck. Click on it to bring up its specific details and price. If you have the necessary in-game funds, simply confirm your purchase. The game will then add the Cybertruck to your inventory, ready for you to spawn and drive. Now that you own the Cybertruck, you can spawn it from your inventory and start cruising around Brookhaven. Take it for a spin, show it off to your friends, and enjoy its unique design. You can also visit the in-game garage to customize its appearance, perhaps changing its color or adding some cool accessories. And hey, while you're enjoying your new ride, don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.